This salsa is roasted directly on fire, and one bite tastes smokier than most restaurant sauces. 4 medium Roma tomatoes, 2 jalapeños, 1 small white onion, 3 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice, 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro. Place 4 Roma tomatoes directly over open flame. Roast until the skin turns black and blistered. Now roast 2 jalapeños the same way until smoky and slightly soft. Add 1 small white onion cut into chunks onto the flam or pan. Roast 3 garlic cloves for about 1 minute until soft inside. Transfer everything to a bowl and let cool for 2 minutes. Peel the burnt skin off the tomatoes lightly. Don't remove all the black parts because that smoky flavor is the secret. Add roasted tomatoes, roasted jalapeños, roasted onion and garlic into a blender. Pour in 1 tablespoon olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika. Squeeze in 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice. Add 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro, pulse only a few times. Don't overblend. Chunky salsa tastes more authentic. Pour into a hot pan and cook for 2 more minutes to deepen the smoky flavor. That color, that texture, this is real fire-roasted salsa Roja. Would you eat this mild or extra spicy? Comment your heat level, but don't lie like last time.